Up and I'm like, oh my goodness, look how much everything is changing. When we came out here the first time, this was all dirt. So I am gonna go take you through your house. Hope you guys are doing well. Let's see if we can get through the front door, because that's where I'd rather go. Look how cool. They're building your neighbor's slab right now. Ta-da! So here's your floor. Love your view out the back. It's turning out so good. Close that to get rid of some of the noise. So here's your breakfast area, or little office nook or whatever. Love the cabinets you guys chose. There's somebody in here working. So this is where your sink's gonna go, dishwasher, stove. If you have a microwave that mounts, your fridge. I love all the natural light. Look how pretty your view is. I love all the trees and everything out back. All right, and then, wow, I love the sunroom. It's like a sunroom. Porch. Covered patio. Yeah, I love all these trees back here. I think you are going to be super happy here. Laundry room. Closet. Master. So no floors yet, but the walls and the baseboards are all done. So next is like lights and vents. Hi! Getting tile in the shower.
Yeah.